In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save birthdays in Google Calendar. Keeping track of important birthdays can be a delightful way to stay connected with friends and family, and Google Calendar offers a simple solution to ensure you never miss these special occasions. Let's dive in and walk you through the steps to manually add birthdays to your calendar. First things first, you'll need to open your Google Calendar. You can do this by going to the Google Calendar website or using the app on your mobile device. Once you have it open, the next step is to create a new event. To do this, look for the Create button, which is usually located at the top left of your screen. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Event. Now you'll want to enter the details of the birthday you wish to save. In the title section, it's helpful to write the person's name followed by birthday. This makes it easy to recognize the event at a glance in your calendar. Next, set the date for the birthday. An interesting fact to note here is that including the year is optional. If you're simply looking to be reminded annually, you just need to input the day and month. However, for those who prefer, there is an option to make this event repeat every year automatically. To do this, you can find the repeat options by clicking on Does Not Repeat, then selecting Custom and choosing Yearly. This ensures that the birthday will appear on your calendar every year, helping you remember it without needing to re-enter details annually. If you want an extra nudge to remind you of the upcoming celebration, you have the option to set a notification reminder. You may choose when you'd like to be reminded, whether it's a day before or on the morning of the birthday, depending on what works best for you. Once you have all the details entered and checked over, the final step is to click Save. And just like that, you've successfully added a birthday to your Google Calendar. Now, whenever you check your calendar, you'll see the birthdays listed and be reminded to reach out to those important people in your life. By keeping birthdays organized in your calendar, you make sure that you're always prepared to celebrate and make your loved ones feel special on their big day. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you stay on top of your birthday game.